In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repost reels as well as post here on Instagram. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to do my best to respond to every single comment. That being said, if you see a post that you want to share here on Instagram, obviously open up Instagram first and find whatever post that is. In this case, we're going to choose this post right here, these two guys running on to the Texas Tech football stadium. All you need to go ahead and do is just go right below it and right next to this little like button, right next to the comments button, in between the comments and the share button, you're going to see an option for these two little like arrows in a circle. Go ahead and select those arrows and it's going to repost that post. For real though, just go right below those comments right here and select repost. And as you can see, it's going to repost that just like so. From here, you're able to go on your profile. You can click on these little repost sections and you're going to see everything that you've reposted just like that. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.